Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have a Jamaican mukbang. I have oxtail with rice and peas, plantains, curry chicken and white rice, and a beef patty and a pineapple soda. I'm not supposed to be drinking soda, but I'm gonna do it for this video. But cucumber, I said cucumber, right? Yeah. So these are a little bit of my favorites. Today's Sunday, so I choose to, go into it. I'm gonna be ready. I'll put it in the oven. I took it to the oven and I'll put it in there for it to be warm, but I forgot to turn the oven off. So it's like, it's not hard. Oh, it's crispy. But it's just, fluffy. But yeah, happy Sunday. And I'm about to have my dinner though. Plantains. I'm gonna give y'all plantains. It's just a little spicy already. But can't go without the hot sauce. Okay. What y'all having for dinner? I'll give y'all some of my oxtail. Let me give y'all a piece of my oxtail, don't worry. Oh my god. I hate that. You know when you take a bite of the pimento? Oh, I got the hiccups. A bite of the pimento. Oh. My rice is shelly too. With jasmine rice. I don't even know last time I had one of these. My favorite is the pineapple and the cream soda. And this is the cream soda in this size. So, you know what I was trying to get the tropical rhythm. But this other thing was $2. If you know me. $2 not $2. You're bugging. I saw that. I was like, yeah, that's the one. That's the one. Let me get some oxtail. I'll cook that. Oxtail is falling off the bone. That's how it's supposed to be. Okay, not chewy. So I was gonna cook jerk chicken too. I'm like, that's too much. And then actually, when I went to Dollar Tree, I was trying to get a jerk chicken patty, but they didn't have it. They had spicy beef, mild beef, and curry chicken. They didn't have the jerk chicken patty. That's what I wanted. But anyway, this food is everything. Sorry, I can taste it. Like, seriously? And I'm not just saying that because I cooked it, but it does taste good. Oh yeah. Spinners, aka dumpling. I don't do butter beans anymore. Alright. I was going for the curry chicken. No white rice. I keep forgetting to take the friggin' pimento out. Hate the taste of that thing. There's a bitter taste in your mouth. Curry chicken and white rice is my favorite over everything. Okay. Like, what other combination tastes so good? They have a few, but I like this better. I rather white rice with curry chicken than rice and peas and curry chicken. And dumpling and curry chicken? Ooh. That is everything. Dumpling and curry chicken. Oh my god. I'm gonna have that too. I try for it not to touch each other, but I did my best. Alright, let's go for the beef patty. Wait, I get my food. Beef patty. It's very crunchy, I know that, because like I said, I wanted to keep it warm, but I forgot to turn the oven off. It is good though. And the little left in there. It tastes so good. It tastes so good. Oh God. It's always the thing that tastes so good is so bad for you. I cut out soda because it's sugar and the fact that I break out when I drink it. And I can see my face is not that good right now. But I had to do it for this video. And like I said, I was not trying to buy tropical rhythm for $2. When, oh yeah, you see the price on this thing? It's like 99 cents. $1, okay? I am not cheap, I'm just reasonable, that's all. I get more for less, like come on. It's a bigger bottle for less money. And the tropical rhythm was less for more money. Okay? And I wanted the pineapple ginger too because it's my favorite one. But I ain't really read the price. The plantain, sweet plantain, baby. Take some of this for work tomorrow for my lunch, but go for the oxtail again. I gotta go watch Power. I gotta go watch Power. I'm not much eating. Came back on today. Thank God I didn't see no spoiler alert on Instagram because that be doing too much. I ain't watching nobody's story. But was there somebody's story? I don't remember. But I've been cooking. I haven't even watched everybody's story because people messing up for everybody. But spicy. Good talk. So, but yeah, I'm uploading this video tomorrow. I'm at work. I'm gonna upload it. And I did a little vlog today too. When I was going to the market, I'm gonna upload that too. So yeah, I might get 2 videos tomorrow. Monday. Yeah. Let's see. Curry chicken, I'm my favorite. Put my foot up in here. I'm not playing, okay? I throw it down. And I want to. You could call this a little late Thanksgiving dinner. Oh, this thing I had Thanksgiving too. My mom cook curry chicken and fried chicken. On my shirt said, "Oh, you see, the Lion King." I think it's the Lion King. Yeah, it is. Right? It says Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata. I think it means no worries. I'm getting full. Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata. I'm weird. Piece of beef patty. Beef patty. I'm full. This beef patty tastes so good. Hold on. was my first big meal of the day. I had some tea this morning, some crackers, and then because I knew I was going to eat something big today, so for dinner. So I'm like, something light for breakfast and go in for dinner, you know. So this beef patty tastes so good right now. There you go. Well, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this little mukbang, this Jamaican mukbang. I need to do a bit of more, you know me, because some of y'all don't know that I'm Jamaican, but I'm Jamaican, okay? Straight. But yeah, I need to do a get to know me video. So, thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.